What's happening, guys? We're at GB Racing. These guys specialise in engine covers and brake lever guards and all sorts of other stuff. Come inside, let's take a look.
This is K4. Do the spindle sliders now, the bullet sliders as we call them. These are designed to be really flush with the fairing. Bolt is only 10mm from the end. And the reason for that is grips on the curbstone or anywhere. This tube is designed to bend rather than the bolt, because the bolt is into the engine. If you have a really long bolt that slips out to here, which a lot of the conventional ones do, they're too strong, and that will rip your engine mount thread out.
Remember what happened to me? Well,
it also distorts the frame.
yes, it did.
The hole goes from a hole to an elongated hole as it bends round. These are absorbing materials as well. They wear very, very well. And they're also this shape as they're designed to go underneath the fairing. So some fairings you haven't got the opening. But you're better off still having some protection on the inside, because you want to protect your frame. Yeah, so we go from the alternator, paddock sound bobbin, we've got also the chain guard, and we've got the other spindle slider on the back. Clutch lever guard on this side as well. The other side's got a brake lever guard. So what we do here at GB Racing, we make these lovely tools here. These are finished tools. Each one of these tools has one engine component.
So it's like a mould, basically.
Yeah,
like
this is an injection mould. This starts off, I can show you the block slice, it's a solid block of steel. So everything you see here is machined in one operation. And this machine is what gives us our spark finish.
So who's got the R7?
I've got an 07, MT07.
MT07,
So same thing, yeah.
Same on that.
So that's 2026. It's the same as your casing. So that would normally be black once we sparked it.
So this is a paddock sound bottle, this particular one here. But this is all carbonisation of the steel with copper. It's a water pump cover.
MT07.
MT07 again, yeah. A solid block.
Yeah.
We cut it on the same machine over there, and then we polish it to get the smooth finish.
There's a lot that goes into it, more than what you think.
So the spark finish has to be the same on everything we do.
It sort of puts a bit of a perspective on why they charge them.
You can see by this, the fibres in that, 60% is glass. It's like a nail. This is running a different product at the moment. This is running the paddock sound bobbin. Now, this is 40% glass. We use a polypropylene on this as opposed to a nylon. So this is 40% long glass. Still a really tough product.
It's lightweight as well,
It's
isn't
very
it?
lightweight. This is a typical job.
Oh, God,
And that just shoots out there. So this will run itself unattended.
So you make all those tools, those blocks, basically, and you put it in here, and then that presses it out.
Doesn't go wrong. Very
I
rare.
bet that machine ain't cheap.
No, none of them are. So this is a nylon. Glass-filled nylon's been around for generations, literally decades. But this is long glass. 60% of this is glass. So it's like having a fiberglass anything where you layer it. Roughly 30% is nylon. If you were to pick your bike up 4 metres high and then just drop it on one point, it needs to, absorb that impact. And the 200 mile an hour crash, you've got to be able to slide for a long time on the track without it wearing through.
That's exactly what it says.
Exactly, yeah.
That's amazing.
Have a quick tour upstairs.
So absolutely. So
Appreciate it, man.
I mean, the thing is, everything nowadays is Chinese. In the paddock, the teams that we support, they think we buy it from China. It's like, no, we do everything here. 3D scanner, I'll go out and scan a bike, or we get a CAD file, a manufacturer like Honda or Yamaha, and then we'll design a product, we'll 3D print that product, and I'll test it on bike, make sure it fits and does everything we want it to do. Yeah. We'll design a mould tool, we'll injection mould there. Yeah. And we'll dispatch from upstairs.
Yeah.
So you can't beat that.
That's what
Once it's done, it's quantified and checked to make sure there's no damage to it. And then it goes right up top and it's stored. It's all hand finished. So all the edges are trimmed to make sure there's no sharp bits on them. All the bushes are put in there, the fitting instructions and the bolts.
Wow.
So everything you need to put that on your bike, it's there. Axle sliders.
So you sell direct to consumer as well as wholesale.
Go straight on our website.
Yeah.
It's all done online.
Perfect.
Bloody hell. Yeah, they're the tried and tested parts.
160 mile per hour craft.
Yeah.
Josh Brooks as
So
well.
yeah, so you can see, I mean,
its job,
160
mate, yeah.
mile an hour, it proper mullered it. But the most important thing is, if you look on the inside,
There's no oil.
you got it.
Yes.
And then away. Yes. Yeah. And we've got actual footage of him binning it.
Really? Oh, and when he tried the Triumph Moto 2 765.
Yeah. So that's
Yeah,
the
'cause
Moto
he test
2
rode them all,
stuff.
didn't he, before they released?
And that's one that caught fire.
Wow.
So the whole bike was engulfed in flames.
And it still did its job.
Yeah. So we then changed the angle because there's a geezer called Top Rack.
Oh.
When he was with Yamaha, we had to change the lean angle because
Right.
his lean angle's insane.
Yeah, he's off the charts, mate.
Yeah. Then had to do the same when he went to BMW.
I don't know if you remember at the TT, Guy Martin going through that big fireball on a CBR 600.
Oh, right, yes.
Yeah, we got the covers back from him on that. The engine was the only thing that survived.
Wow.